Stop comparing your chapter 2 to someone else's chapter 20. Hi there guys, this is Ai, your millennial negosyante, and the content for today is how to stay motivated as an entrepreneur. Let's be real. Being an entrepreneur is not just always about fun. There are days na gusto mo nang sumuko, lalo na pag walang sales, pagod ka na, parang wala nang progress. Tinatanong mo na sa sarili mo kung gusto ko pa ba to, itutuloy ko pa ba to, ano na ba, besh? Lord! Pero ito, yung mindset na tumulong sa akin. I always remind myself how I started. Hindi para yumaman agad para magkaroon ng freedom. Freedom na gawin yung gusto ko anytime I want at mabigyan ng mas magandang buhay not only myself but also my family and especially my pets. The motivation fades, totoo yan, lalo na pag super drain ka na at pagod ka na at stressed ka na. Pero discipline, yan ang magliligtas sa'yo sa mga araw na wala ka ng gana. And one more thing, stop comparing your chapter 2 to someone else's chapter 20. You know what I mean? Everyone's pace is different. All you gotta do is just keep moving kahit baby steps pa lang. Kasi tandaan mo, consistency beats motivation every single time. Keep going, entrepreneur. Your future self will thank you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this content. Kung feeling mo hindi ka na motivated, nandun ka na sa gitna at gusto mong lumaban, humahanap ka ng validation, this is the best content para sa'yo. And I would like to thank everyone for messaging me, encouraging me, supporting me na there's something about my content. Maraming salamat. Nakakalakas ng loob na tumuloy mag-content creation. So this has been Ai, your millennial negosyante, and I will see you on the next motivative video.